An action plan for getting rid of invasive plants. Invasive plants are more than just garden nuisances. They spread aggressively, outcompete native plants, and can even harm ecosystems, and in some cases, human health. But with the right approach, you can take action to protect your yard and your local environment. Here's how to tackle invasive plants step by step. Step 1. Identify the problem. Invasives vary by region, so the first step is to know what you're dealing with. Use local extension services, the Invasive Plant Atlas, or apps like Seek by iNaturalist to ID suspicious plants. Just remember, apps aren't always 100% accurate. Be proactive. Monitor your yard regularly. Catching a problem early makes it easier and cheaper to fix. Step 2. Stop the spread. Seed spread is a major issue, especially from annuals and biennials like garlic mustard or stiltgrass. Don't let these plants go to seed. Mow, trim, or deadhead before they mature. Also, use mulch to smother any seed banks already in the soil. Perennials like purple loosestrife are trickier. You'll need to remove the whole plant, roots and all. Cut back any branches to more easily reach the roots, use a spading fork or something similar to help loosen the roots, and then pull it from the ground. Herbicides? Only if there's no other option, and always follow label instructions to the letter. Step 3. Battle the underground invaders. Some invasives spread by underground parts. Think Japanese knotweed, English ivy, or lesser celandine. For small patches, hand pulling can work, but you'll need to keep at it. You can also try smothering. Cut the plant back, layer cardboard over the area, and cover it with mulch. For larger infestations, systemic herbicides may be needed. Timing is key, so do your research before applying anything. Step 4. Remove woody invaders. Invasive shrubs and trees, like Japanese barberry or burning bush, often spread by bird-dispersed seeds. If they're in your yard, it's best to remove them entirely and replant with natives. For smaller shrubs, tools like the uprooter, a weed wrench, or even a mattock make removal easier. Too big to pull? Cut the plant down and apply herbicide directly to the stump. This is especially effective in fall when plants are storing energy in their roots. With vigilance and the right techniques, you can reclaim your garden from invasive plants and make space for beautiful, beneficial natives. Take action, stay persistent, and grow with purpose. You can find tons of native plant suggestions for your region, as well as eco-friendly and sustainable planting plans at finegardening.com.